Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm John Adams. And today we're going to talk about programming templates using Dealer Admin. By using programming templates, not only will you be able to standardize your programming across your customer base, but it will also make your installations more efficient. To use programming templates in Dealer Admin, you'll navigate to the Settings portion of the screen, then choose Programming Templates. Once there, you'll hit the plus sign to go ahead and begin developing a programming template. You can create as many different templates as you'd like, giving each one a unique name to make sure that you can easily define which template it is that you or your technicians would like to use. For our purposes, I will name this template XTL Touch Cellular. I will choose my system type as XTL Plus or Touch. Later on, we'll speak a little bit more about this and the purposes for it, but you can also apply programming templates to specific customers. We'll come back to that in a moment. So now, as you can see, in a programming template, I have a variety of different pieces of programming that I can go ahead and define to what I want them to be anytime this template is utilized. So in this example, since I've titled the template with the word cellular, I'm going to go ahead and make my communication type cell. I'm going to go ahead and choose the rate plan that I'd like to utilize. This also helps ensure that your technicians are standardizing which rate plans you'd like to use for each model of panel. I will go ahead and set my text plan to none. Remember that if you're not using texting, then you do have to choose no text messages. I'd like to go ahead and set my transmit delay to 0. And then we do have the ability to go ahead and set our receiver IP. This is to ensure that the receiver information that your technicians are putting in always stays consistent and your panel is given the correct receiver information. And then we'll move down. So to show you some more options that are available, you can obviously include under remote options your remote key if you'd like, so I would check the box and put that there. You have access to all of the features under system options, including your arming mode. You can go ahead and standardize anything that you would like under system reports. And when you are done, you simply scroll back to the top and save that programming template. And now we've covered how to create a programming template. From there, anytime you add a system to Dealer Admin, you can choose that programming template, and when the system is installed, you can send that programming template down to the panel, eliminating the need for your technician to program the panel themselves. This is going to save you time and increase efficiency on your installations. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for choosing DMP.